Welcome back to another episode of Current Affairs MCQs. Staying updated with current affairs is essential for success in any competitive exam. Let's discuss today's questions on recent happenings around the world. Consider the following with reference to the Pinaka rocket system. 1. The main purpose of the Pinaka rocket system is that it provides a long-range strategic bombing options. 2. The Pinaka rocket system can launch rockets to a maximum range of approximately 20 kilometers. 3. The Pinaka rocket system is primarily used by the Indian Air Force. 4. The Pinaka system can be configured to launch only the ballistic missiles. How many of the above are correct? A. Only 2. B. Only 3. C. All 4. D. None. Answer is option D. The Pinaka rocket system is a multi-barrel rocket launcher designed for area targeting and saturating a specific zone with high explosive firepower, not for strategic bombing. Strategic bombing typically involves aircraft delivering bombs over long distances, whereas Pinaka is used for closer, tactical support on the battlefield. The Pinaka Mk1 variant has a range of about 40 kilometers, and the Mk2 variant can reach up to 75 km. It is primarily used by the Indian Army for ground-based artillery support. The Indian Air Force does not operate this system. It is designed to launch unguided rockets and near-guided rockets, but not ballistic missiles. Which of the following statements are correct in respect of the net borrowing ceiling, NBC? 1. The objective of enforcing a net borrowing ceiling, NBC, is to maintain fiscal discipline and control inflation. 2. The net borrowing ceiling, NBC, is usually reviewed every 2 years. 3. A higher credit rating from international agencies can lead to an increase in the net borrowing ceiling, NBC. Select the answer using the code given below. A. 1 and 2 only. B. 2 and 3 only. C. 1 and 3 only. D. 1, 2 and 3. Answer is option C. Statements 1 and 3 are correct. The main purpose of enforcing a net borrowing ceiling, NBC, is to maintain fiscal discipline by limiting excessive borrowing and to ensure that public debt remains manageable, which helps in controlling inflation. By controlling the total amount the government can borrow, it prevents over-reliance on debt that could lead to inflationary pressures. A higher credit rating from international agencies, such as Moody's or Standard & Poor's, often signals that the country has a stronger economic position and a reduced risk of default. This can allow the government to borrow more at lower interest rates, which can effectively raising the net borrowing ceiling, NBC, because the country is considered less risky by lenders. Statement 2 is incorrect. The net borrowing ceiling, NBC, is typically reviewed annually or at the end of each fiscal year. This allows governments to adjust the borrowing limits based on changes in the economic environment, such as revenue performance, national debt levels, and economic growth projections. Stay tuned and keep preparing. Thank you.